Want to take your dog abroad? Whether it's for a vacation in Egypt or a move overseas? Here's how to book a flight with your dog using KLM Royal Dutch Airlines from Manchester to Hurghada or worldwide. KLM allows dogs to travel in the cabin if your dog weighs under 8 kilograms, including their soft-sided carrier, in the hold if they weigh over 8 kilograms and fit in an IATA-approved crate, or as cargo for specific destinations and larger dogs. The cost? Well, for the cabin, it's approximately 75 to 125 euros, which is about 65 to 110 pounds one way. For travel in the hold, it's around 100 to 200 euros, or about 85 to 170 pounds one way. And as cargo, the cost varies depending on the size of your dog and the destination. From Manchester to Hurghada, you'll fly with a layover in Amsterdam, KLM's hub. KLM allows dogs on this route, but, always double-check availability for your specific flight. Alright, once your flight is confirmed, here's what you need to do. First, head over to My Trip, then click on Add Extra Options. Next, select Bring a Pet and choose either cabin or hold, depending on your dog's size. Oh, and if your dog is too large for the hold, you'll need to book cargo. For that, you can contact KLM Cargo or a pet travel agent. Easy enough, right? Now, if you're traveling from the UK to a non-EU country like Egypt, there are a few things you'll need to get sorted. You'll need a microchip for your dog, a rabies vaccination done at least 21 days before travel, and an animal health certificate or export health certificate from a local veterinary inspector. Make sure this is issued within 10 days of your travel. And hey, don't forget a Fit to Fly certificate if your airline requires one. It's all about being prepared. On the day of travel, make sure you arrive at Manchester Airport at least 3 hours before departure. Head straight to check-in with your pet. You'll need to present all the necessary documentation and check your dog in if they're traveling in the hold. For pets traveling in the cabin, they'll stay with you through security and under your seat. How convenient is that? Oh, and here's a little bonus tip for you. When flying to Hurghada with KLM, your layover will be in Amsterdam. Did you know it's one of the most pet-friendly airports in Europe? Make sure your layover is at least 2 hours long to allow plenty of time for pet handling and transfers. Trust me, this will make your journey smoother. So there you have it. Booking a flight with your dog on KLM is easier than ever from Manchester to Hurghada, or wherever your next adventure takes you. Let's recap, shall we? Book your ticket on klm.com, add your dog in My Trip, visit the vet for vaccines and a health certificate, buy the right crate, check in early and fly together. Travel smart, travel with your dog. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more pet travel tips.